Hey yo, it's your boy Darkahontas, and today, baby, we coming at you with another tutorial. Yes, baby, it's Christmas time is here. Okay, vocals. Anyways, y'all, we're doing a nice Christmas set. If anything, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for a baddie, addy, addy, and share, because sharing is caring, and that's the only type of caring we like in this household, baby. If anything, yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, let's go. All right, y'all. What it do, boo boo? Welcome to the channel. So we're gonna be doing a nice little Christmas set. First, start off by saying Happy Holidays and Merry Christmas to all my fellow Slay Game out here. I am so excited for the holidays, y'all, because I get to turn out some holiday looks. So yes, be looking out for my makeup as well. But yeah, let's get into it. So first I went ahead and I did 2 layers of white polish. So I used the Modelon's Coloring Life Gel Nail Polish. I think yeah, the number, that's the color. So it's 0555. This is a product I got off of Amazon. So I did use that and I did 2 coats. I didn't want to insult y'all intelligence. Y'all know how to put on whole colors. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this base coat, because we're going to be doing like a Christmas marble design. So I'm going to take the base coat and put it on all of the nails. And you do want to put somewhat of a thin coat out, and Lord, still managed to shake the cameras. Stop. Thank you. Still managed to shake the camera, y'all. Ain't that crazy? I done shook the camera, y'all. But how y'all doing so far? How is your December treating y'all? You know, for my people that celebrate Christmas, have you finished your Christmas shopping? Because I have. Not to gloat or anything, but I have. All right, y'all. So you're not going to cure that yet. So first, I'm going to take this red. This is also by Modelon's Gel Art Liner. This is 012. This is a beautiful red. So first, I'm going to start off with the red. Place the red down. So I'm going to just kind of like, just scribble like that at the top. And then I'll kind of alternate it. So maybe, so what I'm doing is I'm kind of pushing the product in. So I'm doing kind of like a backwards and forwards. You see how it creates that marble effect? Yes, honey. Yes, kind of give you that marble. And that's with the green. And with the same brand, I'm going to use the green one, which is number 7. And we're going to do that right underneath. And with the green, we're going to blend it into the red. So start from right there. Kind of push that up in there. And then, yeah, that's pretty much that. But yeah, I finished all my Christmas shopping. I also finished shopping for the Friendsmas that I have. Which this video, if I'm not mistaken, this video will come out after that. All I know is that for Christmas, they already kind of told me I'm going to be getting a lot of makeup. A lot of makeup stuff, so baby, a lot of reviews. I'm going to see if I can talk them into getting me probably like some nail stuff, so we can also do reviews for that. Okay, so now the last part, we're going to take the Nail Reserve Dare to Shine. That's the name of the color. This beautiful silver glitter. Also, if you didn't know, I do have a discount code with Nail Reserve. I'm going to be using this brush too to put it on. I have a discount code with Nail Reserve. If you want to order some products from Nail Reserve, I do believe I have a link in the bio. You can use, if I'm not mistaken, it's Darkahontas Darkahontas 50. Right. I don't know if they changed it or not. So it's Darkahontas 50. I'm going to take this glitter and go over, pretty much push it into where the red and the red and the, just do the same thing, but do it over both the red and the green. But yeah, just use my discount code. If anything, if I'm not right about how much percent it is, just know that it's going to also be listed in the description box. So it'll let you know, like, how much the discount is. Because, baby, I'm kind of scatterbrained today. I'm a little Lulu today. Okay, the Lulu. Okay, okay. But yeah, that's pretty much the design. If you have some excess on the side, just wipe it off and go on. I'm going to go ahead and cure that on camera. I'm going to cure that on camera. While we're waiting for it to cure, what it do, boo? What's the tea, Marie? How you doing? How is everything going for you? Hopefully you're healthy. You're going good. You know, for my people who don't celebrate Christmas, I celebrate. Wow. It's giving very much I bit my tongue. For you people who don't celebrate Christmas, what do you guys have plans? Like, what do you do during this time of the holiday? I'm really curious to know that. I'm really curious to know. But yeah, I'm going very cheap this year for Christmas. I am not trying to break my I'm not trying to break my bank. For what? No ma'am. No ma'am, no ham, no turkey, no cheese. Okay. Ain't nobody trying to break, ain't nobody trying to do all that. Hello, y'all, my boyfriend texts me. Let me text him back. Let me let him know I'm feeling. This boy's talking about some good morning. Boy, it's almost evening. Boy, it's almost evening. Okay, y'all, so that's the first part. Now for the last part of the design. I'm going to take the Madam Glam Soak Off Gold Flake No White Coat. White coat. This is in the color Touches of Gold. And I'm going to put that all over the nails. Now, I also have a discount code. Whoop, calm down. I have a discount code with Madam Glam as well. Which that discount code is going to be Darkahontas 35. You know, the link is in the bio. The link is in the bio. So all you got to do is click the link in the bio. It'll take you directly and automatically apply that discount code for you. So that's just to let you know that, if you didn't know. But yeah, your boy got discount code on discount codes. But that's pretty much the nail design. You're going to go ahead and you're going to cure that. I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds and I'm going to finish the thumb and then we're going to get into the final reveal, okay? Okay. Hey y'all, welcome back. You know, the time has come for you to sashay away. And baby, it's the weekend. You got stuff to do. Maybe got a little Christmas shopping to catch up on. Because I know you do. Yeah, so if anything, I just want to say thank you guys for stopping by for, you know, the sleighs of Christmas. You know, I can't wait to be adding many more things to that playlist. Other than that, I can't wait to come and show y'all all the other Christmas sets that I have. You know, this is the only deconstructed look that I'm going to be doing for holiday, but it came good. This was like the test trial. Like, it's cute, but this is the real star. This is the real star. But that's marble for you. Marble always looks... You never get the same when it comes to marbles. But if anything, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for Batty Yaddy Yaddy and share, because sharing is caring, and that's the only type of caring we like in this household. You dig? If anything, let me know in the comments below which one you like. Do you like the left or do you like the right better? I don't know. I kind of like both. It's giving two different looks, to be honest, and I kind of live for it. But anyways, I ain't going to hold y'all up. You know, I'm going to go ahead and let y'all get on with y'all weekend, okay? Okay, so peace!